Not that hard, but it's, you know, it's very simple. You gotta navigate market trends with, you know, making money online, social media. So right now, what's popping off right now is TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, social media. You don't want to be working for your time, like $15 an hour or even $20 an hour, right? You wouldn't be working for that big bucks, you know what I'm saying? So how you can do that, right? So with that, how I started was, I found out what I was passionate about, right? So, sorry, everyone's sleeping right now. It's pretty early in the morning. Anyways, so we walk into our hotel room. Spent $2,000 this past weekend. As you can see here, my girlfriend's recording. But anyways, so with that, with TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, you need to be capitalizing on the opportunity because you can repost videos and make money online. You just gotta find a way to kind of go, you know, in there. You know what I'm saying? We'll sit down here. And with that, you need to figure out, okay, what are you passionate about? Are you passionate about, you know, what's your passions? What are your hobbies? And you gotta figure out a way to monetize those passions.